In the radiant sunshine, Peppa Pig and George frolic in the lush garden, their laughter echoing through the air. As their joyful play reaches its peak, Mummy Pig's voice calls out, signaling lunchtime. Mummy Pig calls out, "Come inside for lunch!" In Peppa Pig's cozy kitchen, the stage is set for a heartwarming family moment. Peppa and George bounce into the kitchen, eager to join Mummy Pig in her sandwich-making endeavor. As Mummy Pig lovingly prepares sandwiches, Peppa's curiosity leads her to the fridge, where a refreshing juice awaits. In Peppa Pig's kitchen, a world of vibrant colors and playful innocence, Peppa approaches the looming refrigerator, ready for an adventure. Suddenly, the mundane act of opening the fridge transforms into a moment of sheer surprise as Peppa is startled and jumps back. Amidst the chaos, George's innocent giggle fills the air, adding a layer of playful amusement to the unexpected scene. In Peppa Pig's kitchen, a sense of unease hangs in the air as Peppa cautiously approaches the fridge once more. Peppa, her eyes wide with disbelief, quietly questions, "Did you just talk?" In a startling revelation, Freddy the Fridge booms. "Yes, I did! I'm Freddy the Fridge!" In the heart of Peppa Pig's kitchen, wonder illuminates Peppa and George's faces as they fixate on an unseen marvel. Mummy Pig enters the kitchen, her surprise slowly morphing into amusement as she witnesses her children's curious interaction with the fridge. The kitchen comes alive with an unspoken narrative as Peppa, George, and Mummy Pig converge, their expressions painting a story of innocent wonder and maternal affection. In Peppa Pig's lively kitchen, Peppa and George are dwarfed by the magnificent Freddy the Fridge, its door agape to reveal a cornucopia of vibrant produce. Freddy the Fridge imparts his wisdom, urging Peppa and George to embrace the goodness of vegetables over the fleeting sweetness of candy. The air vibrates with the weight of Freddy's words, as Peppa and George contemplate the profound choice between health and indulgence. In Peppa Pig's brightly lit kitchen, Daddy Pig eyes the talking fridge with a look of amused skepticism. Freddy the Fridge belts out a cheesy joke, filling the kitchen with unexpected laughter. Daddy Pig bursts into laughter, won over by Freddy's surprisingly good joke. Daddy Pig admits, "That's a good one, Freddy." In Peppa Pig's kitchen, Peppa and George face the open refrigerator, a quest to confront the mysteries within. Freddy arrives, a beacon of assistance, ready to plunge into the depths of the refrigerated unknown. Peering into the illuminated abyss, they unearth a trove of culinary relics, some vibrant, others hinting at a bygone era. In a moment of discovery, Peppa and George embark on a journey through the realm of expiration dates, guided by Freddy wisdom. In Peppa Pig's kitchen, a vibrant array of fruits and vegetables herald a healthy snack party, orchestrated by Freddy Fox. Freddy Fox, clipboard in hand, directs the culinary preparations with the precision of a seasoned event planner. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog burst into the kitchen, their tails wagging with uncontainable excitement. In Peppa Pig's sun-drenched garden, a picnic table hosts the joyful gathering of Peppa, George, Susie, and Danny amidst the remnants of their healthy snacks. Beside them, Freddy the Fridge stands tall and gleaming, ready to share his nutritional knowledge with the eager children. The scene radiates warmth and health as the children eagerly anticipate Freddy's nutritional wisdom, set against the backdrop of a cheerful summer day. In Peppa Pig's kitchen, an abrupt darkness descends as the power fails, silencing Freddy the Fridge. Peppa and George exchange worried glances, their innocent eyes reflecting the unsettling disruption. Under the bright sun, Daddy Pig wrestles with the mysteries of the electrical box outside Peppa's cheerful home. With a triumphant surge, the lights flicker back to life, dispelling the darkness and heralding the return of brightness. From within the rejuvenated kitchen, Freddy the Fridge exclaims, "Oh, thank goodness! I was starting to feel a bit dim in here." In Peppa Pig's kitchen, a wave of relief washes over Peppa and George as light floods back into their world. Peppa expresses her gratitude, exclaiming, "Thank you, Daddy Pig, for fixing the power." George echoes the sentiment with a joyful, "Yes, thank you." Even Freddy the Fridge chimes in, declaring, "I am also grateful." In Peppa Pig's sun-drenched kitchen, Freddy the Fridge invites everyone to a playful quest for healthy snacks. Peppa Pig, eyes sparkling with determination, begins her search near the fruit bowl, while George Pig follows closely, dinosaur in hand. In their spirited hunt, they explore every nook and cranny, from peering behind cereal boxes to searching under the kitchen table. Freddy the Fridge chimes in with a playful challenge. "Let's play find the healthy snack." Sunlight floods Peppa Pig's vibrant kitchen, revealing a cheerful scene. Peppa's eyes light up as she discovers a shiny red apple on the counter, a treasure gleaming in the light. George beams with brotherly pride, holding aloft a bright orange carrot unearthed from a drawer. Together, Peppa and George's excitement fills the kitchen with pure, childlike joy. In Peppa Pig's kitchen, the family comes together amidst a vibrant display of colorful fruits and vegetables. The kitchen exudes a sense of familial warmth and simple joys. In Peppa Pig's cozy kitchen, the family gathers around the counter, ready to create a vibrant smoothie. A symphony of colors and textures blend together as the family crafts a delicious-looking smoothie. With each sip, pure delight illuminates their faces, a testament to the smoothie's irresistible flavor. In Peppa Pig's kitchen, the scene is set for a magical story. Bathed in the warm embrace of sunlight, Freddy the Fridge, the storyteller of the day, begins. Let me tell you a story about a magical land filled with healthy food. In the warmly lit kitchen, Peppa and George respectfully bid Freddy the Fridge goodnight. Peppa sweetly says, "Goodnight, Freddy." George adds thoughtfully, "Thank you for a fun and educational day." Under the cloak of night, Peppa and George drift into a dreamland filled with talking fridges and the promise of healthy delights. In a world of dreams, fridges come alive, whispering promises of juicy carrots and crunchy apples to the slumbering Peppa and George. As dreams unfold, visions of healthy snacks dance in their minds, turning the ordinary into an extraordinary adventure of taste and joy.